Hello and welcome back to another episode of Flags of the World quiz. I'm your host, Kaya, and I'm here to test your knowledge of the colorful and diverse flags that represent different countries and regions around the world. Are you ready to learn? Let's get started. Number 1. Which country's flag has 3 equal vertical bands of blue, white, and red? The correct answer is letter C, France. Next, which country's flag has 3 vertical bands of black, yellow, and red? The answer is letter B, Belgium. Number 3. Which country's flag has 3 equal horizontal bands of black, red, and gold? If you answer letter A, you got it right. It's Germany. Moving on to number 4. Which country's flag has a white stripe on top and a red stripe on bottom? And the answer is letter D, Poland. Number 5. Which country's flag has 3 vertical stripes of red, white, and red, with the national coat of arms in the center of the white stripe? The right answer is letter A, Peru. Next, which country's flag consists of 3 vertical stripes of green, white, and green? The answer is letter B, Nigeria. For number 7, which country's flag has a light blue field with a large yellow disc shifted slightly to the hoist side of center? If you answer letter A, you are correct. It's Palau. Number 8. Which country's flag has a light blue band with a yellow sun in the upper fly corner and 2 smaller bands of yellow and green below it? The answer is letter D, Rwanda. Moving on to number 9. Which country's flag has a vertical tricolor of green, red, and yellow, with a yellow 5-pointed star in the center of the red band? The correct answer is letter D, Cameroon. And lastly, which country's flag has a white triangle with a red star and a bird symbol on the hoist side and 7 horizontal stripes of green, yellow, red, and black on the fly side? The answer is letter C, Zimbabwe. Thank you for watching episode 2 of Flags of the World quiz. I hope you enjoyed this episode and learned something new. If you want to test your knowledge of other flags, you can check out our previous episodes on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new episodes. Until next time, this is Kaya, signing off. Bye!